What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from Sovcits and Chronicles. Today, we're back in the courtroom of Judge Jeff Kahn out of Boulder, Colorado. All right, this is going to be a follow-up from yesterday where I posted a proceeding with a sovereign citizen named Mr. Cardona that's currently incarcerated. All right. He kind of started acting a little weird, but like I said, he gives me hippie vibes. I said that yesterday, and I also put it in the thumbnail. We're also going to be in the courtroom for the first time of Judge Linda Cook, also out of Boulder, Colorado, and she's going to have Mr. Cardona before. All right. So with all that being said, let's get to these two proceedings.
There he is.
All right, we are back on the record. We have Mr. Cardona present along with Ms. Talene. I know there's been some discussions, but can you tell me where we are with this case, Ms. Talene?
Yeah, so
Doing
Judge,
the fuck out of everybody.
Judge, I'm going to ask the court to set Mr. Cardona over for Monday. He's going to be seen on his state court cases Monday morning, very early. So I think he can still make it back to this docket. And I think that might sort of inform what's going to happen with his case once we figure out what's happening there. I also want to do a little bit of research for him. So I'm asking the court to not do anything today and just set him over for the Monday morning docket.
Okay, and it's fine with the court, Mr. Cardona. We'll just reset you for Monday morning and address your case, the cases you have pending at that time.
In that time, to preserve your guys' job and not be arrested yourselves for knowingly 242 criminal liability, depriving me of my constitutional rights.
I'm going to look at it, okay, Mr. Cardona? I'm going to look at it. All right.
Okay, we will see you on Monday.
Have a good weekend.
All right, you do the same. And we will see everybody else. I'm going to leave. Fernanda, if you'll stay on the meeting, but everybody else can leave. I just want to double check on the feedback that we're getting, see if we can figure that out.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
All right, take care.
42 USC 1983.
So I wasn't sure. Fernanda, are we having any feedback now? I'm not hearing it anymore.
No, I don't hear anything, Judge.
Okay. I'll try to come on a little bit early on Monday just to make sure whoever's doing jail. But if it's me, I'll come on early and see if we have any issues. Thank you, officer. You have a good weekend, sir.
All right, y'all. So now we're headed into the courtroom of Judge Linda Cook out of Boulder, Colorado, with Mr. Cardona once again.
And unmute you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your attorney, Ms. Talene, is talking to the city attorney right now. So just give me 1 second. Whenever they're done, I will put you on a breakout room with her.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep, that'd be great. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
The back. So I was like, oh shit. I've done that too many times.
Good morning, Judge. Ms. Talene is talking to the city attorney at this time. And after that, she's going to join the breakout room to talk to the defendant.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we ready on this case now?
No, not yet. Ms. Talene is just talking to the city attorney, and then she will talk to the defendant. I think they're talking about the plea deal, probably.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You know what the spiritual meaning of the sunflower is? Loyalty, faith, and fuck, it's failing me now. Endurance.
Huh. Thanks for letting me know.
Do you know that they all face each other on a cloudy day to bounce the resonant sunlight off the yellow face to give each other more light? And then on a sunny day, they're like, what a fucking concept. What if people did that? You know? Like, right. Not too surprising, unfortunately. There's more people on this one than I've ever seen for this. I suppose. Forgot. There's still they haven't done my breakout session yet, and I forgot some paperwork in my cell. Is there any chance I'd be able to run back and grab that? It's kind of important. It's I have a folder in my cell. It's got like all my notes and things with times and dates and I forgot it. Sorry, I was in a hurry. Yeah? Cool. Yeah.
Unhappy.
Yeah, I've really tried a lot to help him and get him to understand. Like, he's here on some pretty big bullshit. Like, it's obvious bullshit. Somebody's kind of going out of their way to fuck him over. But that is not how you deal with it. I get it, because I literally am here because somebody's fucking me over. But multiple people, I guess, are fucking me over.
Judge, I think we're ready for the first defendant.
Okay.
Never seen so many great looking DAs. Blowing my mind. Oh, damn, I'm not muted anymore. Whoops. You as well. You're also very great looking. Good morning.
All right. Good morning. I am not sure which defendant we have. Can you
This
please
is-
tell me your name?
This is Mr. Cardona, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Cardona, this is not the first time you've been seen in the Boulder Municipal Court on these cases. So I'm not going to go through all of the charges and dates of violation. The maximum penalty for any charge in this court is a $2,650 fine or 90 days in jail or both. I know there have been ongoing discussions about disposing of your cases. Let me hear from Ms. Talene what you two have discussed today.
So, Your Honor, I'm not sure if I was just speaking with Ms. Reifenberg, and the offer has changed slightly. So in the documentation that you have, I think it said 45 days.
Yes.
They've actually agreed to reduce that to 15.
Okay.
With
And
time
so,
served.
yeah, and you will get credit for time served. So Mr. Cardona is going to be accepting that offer. And we can go from there.
Okay, great. Is that accurate, Mr. Cardona?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Cardona, I have a couple of questions for your attorney, and then I will ask you how you plead, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Talene, can you assure me that you have advised your client of his rights, that he understands his rights, that he realizes that by pleading guilty, he's giving up his right to a trial?
Yes, Mr. Cardona and I have had several conversations. I am confident that he understands his rights.
Okay. Can you also represent to me that you have explained to him the elements of the offenses and the maximum penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree that there's a factual basis, or are you willing to waive a factual basis?
I would waive the establishment of a factual basis.
All right. And Mr. Cardona, is it your choice to plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am. It seems like the better benefit for everybody involved, and absolutely.
Okay. Then how do you plead to the charge of threatening bodily injury? Is he also required to plead to the dog at large charge?
My understanding was that we were just doing the one guilty plea.
Okay. Then how do you plead to the charge of threatening bodily injury that you were advised about the details of on a previous date? Or guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will find that your guilty plea is knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily entered. And anything anybody wants to say further before I impose sentence?
No, Your Honor.
I
Okay.
hope.
Not for me. You want to say something, Mr. Cardona?
Just, I really appreciate. I hope it goes in collaboration with the deal. If the sentence is different, I hope it's not. But just, I wanted to say, like I was homeless, really struggling with a lot of different things, and I'm very grateful for this deal and to be able to fix it, because I've found my home, and I don't want to have fucked up things. Excuse me. I don't want to have messed up things in my home. And you guys are all my family as far as I'm concerned. So thank you for understanding and meeting me halfway.
Okay. I will thank you for your remarks. I am going to impose 15 days of jail. I will give you credit for time served for any such credit that you're entitled to, and court costs are waived. The remaining charges in this case and the remaining cases are all dismissed at this time.
Fantastic.
All right. Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You can give me a call tomorrow. Okay, Mr. Cardona.
Okay. And just, I'm time served, right? I've done way more than 15 days on all of this.
You're good, Mr. Cardona.
Okay. I just,
All right.
It's been like repetitive.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a
All
great
right.
day, everybody. You remember me?
I do.
I know.
Yes. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Super beautiful eyes. Thank you.
All right, so we've come to the conclusion of Mr. Cardona's time in jail. All right, so we got closure to this one. He's going to be released. All right, so he did a lot of sovereign citizen stuff, a lot more in the last proceeding that I posted yesterday. He really went hard about halfway into it, and he kind of got aggressive with it. But when it's all said and done, when he got his opportunity to get his freedom, he dropped the sovereign citizen stuff and he pleaded guilty. So I don't care what nobody says. I'd rather be free than to stand on my, false principles at that, because the whole sovereign citizen stuff, I'm not saying there hasn't been any good arguments made with it. I'm just saying in his case, if he was actually guilty of everything, he seen an opportunity to get out, he took it. All right. So with that being said, I just want to thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Also subscribe to the channel so you can continue to follow the content that I'm putting up. Hit that notification bell so it notifies you when I put up more sovereign citizen and court content like this one. All right. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. I'll catch you on the next proceeding. God bless. Peace.